guys, Rad Performance here, and today we are doing a windshield DIY. So the first thing you're going to want to do is obviously remove the wiper blades. That's pretty self-explanatory because they rest on your windshield. So if you notice he's going to put them off to the side, you could always remove the full arm. We're just going to put it out of the way because these don't stay up, they just fall back down. And so we're going to have to tie them out of the way. And then after that, we'll show you the tools we're going to use to actually pull the windshield out once everything is in place for us to start pulling this window. Okay guys, so we got our kit unboxed. You also can get the cheap kit from Harbor Freight for 10 bucks, and you could do this yourself really easily. So he's there. He's with that big stick that has a notch to hold the wire. So you just want to go from the side until it eventually pops through, and then we can start cutting away at the adhesive.
I'm starting to hit the body, so I don't want to do that.
Yeah, you want to be careful of the body and try to go at an angle, so that way you don't damage the window channel in any way.
Good pull. Oh, yeah, you can.
Okay, so we're just, pull. You want to be in sequence with this. You want to make sure you're both at an angle, so that way
you don't damage the car.
Exactly. You don't want to damage the car. You don't want to damage anything that you don't have to. And then even one person pulls, the other person keeps tension, and then vice versa. If you're alone, I guess you could do it sticking your hand out the window, but definitely be pretty difficult to do alone. Helps to have a second person.
Okay.
You want me to pull further?
I want you to switch. I want you to pull this, and I'm going to pull this guy. You got to pull him. You got to lean toward that way.
And we switch so that way we can use different portions of the wire, because these will snap. And then you're going to have to refish it. So keep that in mind.
Hang on a second. Okay. We're going to have to switch something here, or look at it. Of course, there's something right here.
Something.
That was where I couldn't get it with the other.
Yeah.
Tell me how far I can pull.
That's about it.
All right, now you're going to pull against it so we can go low.
So cutting it.
Okay. Okay. Because I don't want to hit the fender. Let me get it in, Paulie, to get that part of the wire. The new part. Hang on.
Yeah.
Go in as far as you can, okay. Yeah, we're gonna have to try. Let me try to loop it out. So I can try this to get friction.
Yeah. So just cutting the bottom.
Here we go. So let me go around the window like that, and then you pull it. Okay.
Yeah, that's cutting, I think. You good if I go more, or you want to pull? Yeah.
There it goes. It went around the corner.
And
right?
that is it, folks.
Yeah, it went around the corner. Okay. Let's leave it because I think this gasket will pop on the bottom.
Yep. So we found it tends to be easy. So you start on the bottom and then we end at the bottom. So.
Yeah. So they're in here. You see this stuff? You see this stuff? So when we lift, we got to go up because it's holding it in.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's
So
just
we'll
do
get
that.
the. You wanted to get the suction? Probably
no.
on. Okay. Okay, guys. We got the suction cups on. I got my glove on. So the suction cups are safe. So we're gonna try to peek and then go up.
There we go. See, that was it.
That's
So yours came out. So now this we didn't do this all the way. So let's see if we.
If you want, just pull the thing. Pull the wire to try to cut it if you have.
It's this
Bring it
corner.
to the edge.
Yeah, it's this corner right here.
Did it fall down?
Oh, it's okay. It went in the door. I don't want to ruin any of it.
You should be good. This all gets covered.
Let's just try.
Just careful because I know I already partially shattered. Still working on it.
come on. Oh, hang on. Put it down.
Is it cracked?
Yeah, pause. Take out the mirror.
Oh yeah.
Take out the mirror, and we're gonna circle. That's what I call money well spent. So
Okay,
that kit
guys.
is perfect, Paulie.
So we just ran over there one extra time. There was a little hold up. So if you ever have that, you just want to saw through it again. You want to make sure you remove your mirror before you break it, like we did. So now if you're ready.
Well, we can show them the kit actually, the one we use.
Oh yeah, we can do an overview after.
No, right now. Do it now if you want.
Right now.
Show it over there.
So guys,
We use this ATD kit. Now they're not paying us, but the Harbor Freight kit works. It's
we use
Pittsburgh.
both.
The wire snaps more frequently. This is a higher end kit from ATD. What was the number?
87460.
It's a much better tool and a better wiring also. The piano wire is stronger. So
Yeah, it has a gold coating.
I
Didn't
recommend it
snap.
because that kit's very good. Yeah, the whole windshield, we didn't snap the wire until the very end. So
Alrighty, so now for the moment of truth.
okay, so where are we
Where?
putting this down?
I think we have to walk all the way off the back of the car.
Yeah.
There's no other place for us to go. Okay guys, so we got the window all masked up now because this is well, really the whole biggest part of the actual window job is prepping the surface. Even this we'll have to refine after, but first obviously we all have to get the urethane that was holding the previous window in. That's in the track, we have to get it out. This will be the most time consuming and the most difficult, and this also looks pretty original, so that's definitely going to put up a fight.
But we got to prep it and paint it.
Yeah,
Because then, it, like Vinny's car, it'll get that bubble.
yeah.
You know,
It'll start,
just. And that's why every time you change your windshield, all of a sudden you get rust. Because when they do this, nobody coats it. So you just got to make sure that, see in the corners and stuff, that you feel
clean
metal.
those out.
This you can literally feel that it's so fucking thick on the corners. Okay. And then now with this, you just catch the metal. They actually sell a bigger knife that I should get it. It's a windshield kit.
That would be useful for us.
It's
yeah.
like long,
Yeah,
but
so
it's
you have the
made for
leverage,
these.
too.
Yeah. So if I got it, see, I got it to the end, and then it comes out.
That's man. Yeah.
Yeah.
That
And then
saves
this
a
is
lot
just
of
about
time.
metal right here. This is just about all metal. So that's it. So now this, wherever I'll cut, I'll get in, but I try to get to the metal.
Yeah, so that way it just pops right off.
So it cuts it from both sides.
Yeah, it's so much cleaner that way.
Yeah. Yeah, it's better than scraping it.
Yeah, it saves a lot more time.
I thought I gave you a cobalt. Because this guy's small.
Yeah.
Who would have thought you gotta go work out at a gym to work on cars? What is this?
That's why everyone in the 80s was so in shape.
That's why mechanics
Fix your
are normally in shape.
Yeah, literally.
Yes, that took the corner out. Maybe this guy. will
That's
come out.
perfect. Yeah, you're sliding right through it.
There you go, yeah. See, he just comes right out. See, he goes
Yeah,
right down. So
that's
you get a new
perfect.
blade. I would do the edge first, do the edge all around, and then go right in between the metal and slice it like bread.
Yeah.